just on the back office now, getting my reward points up. As you can see, there's a bit of crap in there. I'm just going to clean it out, and I'll see you when I'm up to the next part where I need to fill you in.
Consecutive days roaming around, scrambling to find stuff. Now I put the source on there. You can take a look at that long link and read the actual study.
A bit of the Limitless training. So this is the shit that I cleaned out.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
With this bad boy. So I've given it a nice clean out with the rag. Can't really see in there, but she's clean as a whistle.
This cumulative effect over the course of life is very
Happy days. Gotta love this training. In the back end right now, Salesvision, getting my Limitless training in, doing the backpack audit, creating more space for more to come in. Woo. Love it. Value every day, in every way.
Keep it in a pile. Put everything you're going to keep. So here's how it'll work.
Following along.
Pile of garbage here.
Pile of garbage.
Stuff you're going to put back in your
I'm going to put that back in.
Backpack there.
Or maybe not that. That'll go in the bathroom.
From going to put back.
But we're going to put that back in. We'll actually clean that all out.
There you go, Matt. Nice and tight.
Following along.
Nice and tight.
Alrighty, now you see me clean out my backpack. It has been audited and ready to be used again. So what I'm realizing through the Limitless training that I've done so far is it's all about creating order in your life, creating space. You know, we've done the $1 Million Day, we've done the wallet audit, we've now done a backpack audit. So we are really starting to create order in our day and give our day structure and free ourselves of aimlessly running around and searching for things like our keys, sunglasses, comb, beard comb, if you got the beard out there, lads, lip balm, lipstick, lippy, you might lose your purse, you name it. So think back when you've got up one morning and everything's going, you know, smooth as a whistle, all of a sudden can't find something. That's what this is talking about. That's what Mark's pointing out here, is that we spend a lot of time looking for things aimlessly that are in our backpack or somewhere that if we continue to keep order of and cleaned out things that we didn't need, this would allow you to have more time throughout your day to get more things done. So you're going to accomplish more, in short. So I'm just going to steal it here because I want to get this right. So I'm just going to read. So if your time is worth $20 an hour, basically they boiled it down with some numbers and figuring out that we boiled our time down to being worth about $20 an hour, okay? And then basically we wasted on average, give me a sec. I'm supposed to be keeping these bloody vids short to 2-3 minutes. Hopefully I can sneak it in. So we waste around 3,285 hours. That's equivalent to about 24 hours or about 150 days consecutive that we're running around aimlessly looking for stuff. So this is all about, again, clearing up space, allowing you to be more productive throughout the day because you're not running around looking for things. And I've probably repeated myself a little bit, but it's good because we want this point to hit the hammer. All right, so clearing space, organizing things such as your wallet, your bedroom, your garage, your wardrobe, and your backpack are going to help to create more time and more space to be productive. So I think that's it. And actually I love Mark's statements. He gives you lots of great statements in his training and Solomon CEO trainings as well. And this one is a clean and organized backpack is a key starting place to create a sense of order and control in your life. So on that note, I'm out. I'll see you in the next vid.